So in this video we are looking at 3 bullish stocks for this month. Okay, so added the VWAP monthly buy signal. Okay, so we're seeing this many stocks. It looks like all banking stocks. Okay, 2 banking sectors. Let's look at WFC. Okay, WFC. It's not the right setup. Okay, I want that. AXP. Okay, not that. AXP chart. AXP American Express. Buy signal here. Okay, it's all right setup. We don't want that. SCHW. SCHW. Okay, I can see bullish signal here. 3 CPR up. Looks a little bit better. Next to DD. CPR up. Okay, it's bullish. Okay, let me just now take this out. Scan again. Okay, we are seeing 50 C stocks plus volume. Let me add stock. Call signal index 1, 2. So now I added an indicator which put call ratio, which is lower, right? And the call side, if it is bullish, you want it to be lower. Okay, so here what stocks we are seeing here is RTX, I could say WFC is again STNGC. STNG. Okay, this looks good. G is bullish. Okay, you can see that the CPR up, the buy signal, buy signal. Next is C. The bullish, not quite. Dell. Okay, you can see the bullish here. Okay, so now how do we trade this? Okay, let's go back here. So we want bullish. Let's say Dell. So we want to put bull put spread. Okay, you want to be 220 credit is a good one. Stock 135 goes up, you'll make money. Okay, but you want to be below the stock price. Okay, it's a good one. So it's a bull put spread, right? The other option is you want to do put broken wing butterfly. Okay, you want to go here. It's a good option to do, but okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.